Hi there, it's Donna
and Rhonda
from Heart of the Matter Professional Organizing. Welcome to our Heart of the Matter family. Our mission is to equip and mentor you, so it's very important to us to bring you good, solid content on a regular basis. We've got our blogs, we've got our podcasts, we've got tips on our website, and today we've got a special Heart of the Matter Top 10 Organizing Tips ebook that we'd like you to download.
We always love to hear from you, so contact us anytime. And would you do us a favor? We'd really appreciate if you would take the short survey that you can link to from our homepage. This will help us find out a little bit more about you and what your organizing challenges are. That in turn helps us to be sure that we are bringing you the helpful content that will get you on your way to a peaceful, organized space and life.
If you don't already follow us on social media, would you please do that? And you know what? Thank you for letting us be your success partners as you get to the heart of the matter.